Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to boost volume in Samsung Galaxy A17. So let's start. First you need to go to your settings, then scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. Tap on it. From here you will see volume option, tap on it. And from here you can boost the volume to the max. Okay, now as you can see from here the volume is at max, but there is an additional option. Tap on these three dots. From here you will see media volume limit. Tap on it and enable this option. From here you can also customize volume limit. Let's say I want it max. So as you can see, now the volume of Samsung Galaxy A17 is now boosted at max level. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.